Okay guys, it is another beautiful day for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. However, before I go fully into it, okay, if you are on the Telegram platform and you saw the signal which I posted yesterday and you didn't go for the signal, then you've missed a lot. Okay, so this is our entry point. This is on a weekly time frame. Okay, this is our entry points where we are the horizontal, I mean the red horizontal line, and you can see the white horizontal line is our TP, and as you can see it's almost getting to our TP. Okay, so it is at the tip of the TP already. Okay, so that's so amazing. Let me show you how beautiful the trade is. This is our entry point on daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. This is our entry point, and this is where our TP is. You can see it is in front of our take profit. Okay, now let's go down to H4 so that you get to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is our entry point on H4, and of course check it out, our TP is at the top right here, not far from this last candle. Okay, so now let me go down to 5-minute time frame just for you to know how far we have gone with this trade. Okay, so guys, let's see our entry points on 5-minute time frame. Check it out, this is our entry point right here. Okay, from this side. Okay, and of course check it out guys, check it out, check out the trading activities. So as you can see, if you miss the signal on the Telegram group, then I don't think I should be blamed for that, or probably you saw the signal and you didn't act on it, then definitely you are to be blamed for that, because this is a lot of money for each and every one of us. Okay, so if you are not on the Telegram channel, kindly do that right away. Kindly join the Telegram channel right away. You're going to see the link in the description box below this video. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out in today's video. So we will be checking them out one after the other and see how far we can go with it. So if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, um so guys, this is boom 1000. Okay, so I'm going to take it down a bit. Okay, so this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, just the way you are seeing it. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually sold till it got to this support zone. Remember, it got there around there and it respected it, so got there again and it had a pullback, but went back there again to break out below it to get to a new support zone. Okay, it was unable to break out from here, so it started an uptrend, just broke out from here, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, let's move on guys, let's move on. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. Okay, it had been on downtrend for a while, just the way we have seen it, got to this region, and right now it's going back on uptrend. But remember, right here is a resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It went on uptrend right from here, but got to this region, had a pullback till it got to this support zone, but went back up to break out from here, and of course it also broke out from this resistance zone till it got to this particular resistance zone. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend right from here, and of course came to an end at this support zone. Remember, it broke out below this particular support zone. Okay, in order for it to get to this new support zone, and of course it started a buy trend right from there, but was unable to break out from this resistance zone. So at the pullback, it should try it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it should be getting to this region. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from there. So the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is volatility 75 that had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone, just the way we're seeing it. Got to this support zone, had a pullback, and of course went back there to break out below that, and of course got to a new support zone, and of course had another pullback and played around there for a while, but it has just gotten below it right now. It has gotten to a new support zone. If it breaks out below that, it will keep on selling. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will change direction into a buy trend. Okay, so we should take note of that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, so if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.